As superintendent, I'm always impressed by the support that the community partners provide to our schools, teachers, and students. Knox County is blessed with countless civic-minded citizens and organizations, and their commitment to our mission is inspiring. Last week, ORNL Federal Credit Union generously gave KCS Teacher Supply Depot $25,000 as part of the credit union's 75th Anniversary Community Grant Initiative. KCS was one of the 18 grant recipients, along with East Tennessee Children's Hospital, Second Harvest Food Bank of East Tennessee, the East Tennessee Historical Society, and many others. I want to thank ORNL Federal Credit Union for this generous gift and for their support of our mission. I also want to highlight two important events that will happen in the coming days. On September 26th, the KCS College and Career Fair will welcome students to the World's Fair Exhibition Hall, where they will hear from dozens of industry and college partners. One of our district's top priorities is to make sure students are prepared for the day after graduation, whether they're enrolling in college or trade school, enlisting in service to their country, or finding high-wage employment. The College and Career Fair is an important part of this mission, and I want to thank all the partners who are participating. Today and tomorrow, the Knox County Board of Education is holding its annual workshop. Leaders from across our district are sharing highlights from the past year, along with our vision for the year ahead. We appreciate our school board members for their commitment and service to our students and the district. Finally, don't forget that our annual coupon book fundraiser is underway. This program provides important funding for school initiatives, and each book is packed with valuable coupons. Please consider buying a book if you haven't already. I'll be at Bearden High Thursday night for the Bearden Farragut game, so please stop by and say hello if you see me. Thank you to Westview Elementary for hosting this week's video, and as always, thank you for supporting Knox County Schools.